Welcome to semi-final action here at the Rip Curl Pro Bells Beach. Day 6 of the event window. The waves continue to roll through in perfection. And Courtney, she's coming off the back of an unbelievable quarterfinal clash. A huge effort to overcome Carissa Moore. Really had to fight her way back in a big way. Won a paddle battle in that exchange. And as you can see there, plenty of head-to-head history between these two competitors. 12 previous matchups. And it is relatively even. Tyler Wright just holding a slight edge, 7 wins to Courtney's 5. 2 previous battles here at Bells Beach as well.
Yeah, it's too dangerous at Bells to sit there and wait around, and yeah, I was just lucky. I feel like Bells, you need to get in a good rhythm, and once you're in that rhythm, you're pretty much set. So I had that rhythm from the start, and yeah, it was good.
And thoughts on the semi-final?
Yeah, it'll be tough. I'm just going to go out there, do my thing. Lakey's been dangerous the whole event, and she's kind of like a local girl now, so she's got a good team, and it'll just be a battle of big calves, I guess. That's what we're both sort of the strongest at, so we'll see.
We're looking forward to Elite. Go and get ready. Congrats again.
Thanks so much.
Really tapping back into some of that that magic that we saw her bring to the Gold Coast event, where she got the victory. Now we'll see a replay of that Gold Coast final in semi-final 2. During that interview though, Tyler Wright getting things started here in her heat against Courtney Conlogue, and getting started really well, Pete.
And she took that inside position, and you saw that one went out a little bit further and over and actually backdoored the ball, which gave her that great opportunity to do those 2 beautiful carves. And that early start, she got herself a good score to go.
Yeah, match her in the pocket with some good carves, and that Tyler's just got it down at the moment and been on such a roll.
Well, here she is up and riding, boys. She's snapping out of the top, big round, cut back. Courtney waiting for the one behind, obviously, as Tyler makes her way through with another big wrapping cut back and gets to the inside and lays that arm and gaffs that one in. And the one behind goes a little flat. Courtney can't get it as Tyler makes her way through to the inside to finish this one off. So, bit of a slam dunk there, getting a score off Courtney's priority. The one behind that Courtney waited for went flat, Luke.
Yeah, that second one laid down then, and Courtney wasn't able to get it. And Tyler off to another good score there. So a bit behind the 8 ball now with that lull.
I think it maybe a little bit's attributed to trying to show that versatility and going, giving us a look at all of it. Because I think that's really is super necessary. As we watch the replay here, this wave wasn't the highest quality. It was a nice set wave, but outside on the ball, it was fairly flat, so she had to just carve her way through it. It did stand up in this section here, but again, just laying it over and showing that variety by going with the layback where she puts that back arm back. But that was really the only section that kind of stood up for her, except for now on the inside. And again, the wave never really steepened up super heavily, but you know what? It's going to back up that 717. It's going to be another solid score. So if this heat were to lull out, she's already got 2 solid scores.
7.83 for Tyler on that second wave, under priority. Surfed it really well. And Pete, I think you could probably, looks like she's going to get an opportunity here. Having a look at this one. Committing to this wave. She needs to get into it.
Oh, no.
And she doesn't. So she has waited 16 minutes to have a look at a ride.
And then loses priority.
And you can see the frustration there, slapping the water, a huge error. Let's see what unfolds here. We've got a set wave approaching. Tyler trying to get herself into position. This wave is going to stand up. And Tyler, she's going to use that priority, trying to get rid of a 7.17. Has some speed. You can see some bumps on the face out there now. No problem for the 2016 world champ. But that second turn, you can see her back foot slipped off the tail pad.
That was.
She goes down.
Put it back right on, too.
Much less time. So Courtney now having a look at her first ride. Let's see what she can do. This wave is on the inside, but has a pretty nice wall stretching out in front of Courtney. And she lets go of a couple of solid turns to get started. So the surfing is there, just needs to keep riding waves. And she'll be right there in this heat when it all goes down. 9 minutes, 20 seconds to go as she brings this one right through to the inside. And she swings it into a reverse to finish. And you just didn't see that coming. That kind of nice little surprise on the end section there will probably serve her pretty well with the panel.
Oh, yeah, that's going to go That's the best way with the heat. And then it was just big enough to hug the reef, and it gave her 3 full sections on the outside. You know, beautiful carve there, sets it up, but this turn, solid. Really lays into it. Stands up for her again, you know, and with those waves that we saw from earlier, they were a lot less of a wall. This one, steep wall all the way through, and then the pleasant surprise on the inside. The carving snap to spin reverse. I mean, that was power and innovation combined into one. Again, look at how she lays it over on the rail, carving through it. I mean, that turn there was solid on the outside.
A bit more torque in her surfing this year, isn't there? She's really twisting through these moves.
Agreed. And again, great technique, but she's really laying into it. And when the slow motion takes away how fast she did those moves. But again, just the opening up of the arms and the twisting of the body. So there's more torque in those turns because of the twist.
Look at this finish.
Again, stays fairly steep all the way through. And then this is the surprise right here. You see this section, she's like, what am I gonna do? Let's carve and then snap the reverse and twists around. A bit more yoga, maybe.
Well, a very big comeback here from Courtney Conlogue. She waited a long time to catch this wave. And Strider, be careful out there, buddy. You almost got in the path of Courtney as she was making her way back out. She will mow you down. She has just dropped a 9-point ride. So Courtney, with the highest scoring wave of this semi so far, now just needs a 6 to get herself into the lead. 6.5 minutes to go. Plenty of time.
Oh, there's one more behind it, too.
Well, Tyler, she's having a look at it. She's going to go a big wall to start things off. Needs to make this first section count. Grabs that rail. It's a tricky section to read. A longer carve for that second move. Up into the pocket. Swings that tail. Drawing a big line off the bottom. But she goes down.
Oh,
she gets lipped on the end section. 5 minutes to go.
Yeah, she'll pop right up, too.
Oh, she looks like she's broken her board.
Oh, she has.
She's got a buckle, so just under 5 minutes to go. This is going to take her out of the lineup for some time.
Wow. Because there is no jet ski assist here, so she's going to have to paddle back out all the way from the beach. See if Micro's on it. I'm sure he is.
So we'll get a close-up. Here he comes. He's been doing a bit of soft sand training with Wilco, so he'll be okay.
But it's a matter of, look at how clean the lineup is right now.
It's just been completely ironed out by that huge set. And Courtney now swinging, looking for a 6-point ride. Tyler's still going to take some time to get back into the lineup. So there's a chance, even if Courtney gets the score on this wave, she'll regain priority and control the final stages. This wave's starting to flatten out. Chasing a 6-point ride, needs a finish. And looking for more. Let's see what she can do here. Had a really exciting finish earlier on. Nice cut back there. Throws her board up onto the oncoming section and hangs on for a moment. Let's check in with Barton Lynch once again.
Yes, mate, Tyler's here on the beach. They can see that crease in the board. Not heading back out. Looks like she's called it a day. Hey, what's up, mate? You all right?
No, I'm good. No, Courtney's one was good. It should be a good exchange, so.
A 6.5 for Tyler Wright on her last wave. So just waiting on Courtney's score to drop. Just over 2 minutes remaining, and Courtney's on the beach as well.
Well, again, without the jet ski assist, it's a good minute and a half to get back out there. I mean, she knew that Tyler was on the beach, so there really wasn't any super urge, and I think she's pretty darn confident that she's going to get the score here. I mean, look how clean this wall is. Beautiful snap to start, and then this turn here, again, lays into it. Little sticky, but was able to motor through it. I think it's going to be plenty, as she rode this one all the way in. Knew the score that she needed to do, and she's getting herself, it's no worries for her. She's getting another big score.
Big numbers starting to roll through for the panel. A long ride that just kept providing opportunities, but the bulk of the score came on that one big layback jam under the lip, and Courtney has just banked a 9.33. Let's check in with Barton Lynch. Courtney's through to the final.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
good. I didn't catch away till 11 minutes.
She's visibly shaking. The set got us. Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's going to go straight up, kids. Straight up.
Oh my God.
Courtney is heading back up to get prepared for the final of the Rip Curl Pro Bells Beach, trying to go back to back. It's been a long time for Courtney between event wins. She was victorious over in Portugal the back half of last season, but this year hasn't gone according to plan, turning it around here at Bells Beach. Pete trying to win a second bell. She's on her way.
3, 2, 1.
Well, how cool is Luke Egan there?
Yeah,
Just
mate.
reminding Courtney that it's not over. 18.33 though, and for a second time today, Courtney has come from well back in the heat to claim victory and getting the win over one of the highest scoring surfers in the draw.